Hi there, I'm Mavis and welcome to today's video on Herbivore Botanicals. So this is probably one of the biggest brands of 2018 and you've most likely seen them on your Instagram feed. And today I'm going to be reviewing 2 of the trial kits that I got from the brand as well as a full-size product. So if you're interested to learn more about Herbivore Botanical products, just keep watching. The first product that I'm going to be reviewing is the Blue Tansy mask. This is actually one of my favorite products in the entire haul, I guess you could call it. The Blue Tansy mask is a gentle resurfacing mask and it has a very kind of syrupy texture that is in between like a liquid, like a gel and a jelly, but it feels so cool on your skin when you apply it and it feels really nice. It goes on so smoothly and it's really fun applying it. It's really a joy when you apply it. I experienced no tingling whatsoever even from the very first time I used this, and I think it's just a testament to how gentle it is. Usually when you use a typical chemical exfoliant or like a exfoliating mask, they tend to sting at least the first time you try it because the skin is not used to that kind of treatment. So this is definitely non-drying and my skin felt a lot smoother afterwards. I usually follow this up with the Lapis oil. When I use both of them together, I feel like they are more effective, especially when you're on the verge of a skin breakout. And I actually had two zits under the skin that were kind of like threatening to come out and like come to the surface. But when I use the mask and the oil together, the 2 spots basically disappeared the next day, and that's kind of amazing. I'm not sure how concentrated or how strong this mask is because there is I couldn't find like the percentage of the actives in this product anywhere. Like it's not on the product, it's not on the site. So I really like this product even though I use a lot of other chemical exfoliants, just because I feel that it works in a way that it kind of helps calm the zits down or like pimples down, but also soothe my skin. I think that this is great for people with sensitive skin or if you're new to exfoliants, just because of how gentle it is as a gateway kind of chemical exfoliant. But if you've been using acids for a while, or if you're used to, like stronger exfoliants like the baby facial, like Drunk Elephant's baby facial, then this is probably going to be like not strong enough for you and it will not be as effective, I would say, in terms of exfoliating your skin. So the second product in the kit that I'm going to review is the Jasmine Green Tea Balancing Toner. So this is a mist. I do not like this at all. So I'm going to preface this by saying that I generally do not like having green tea in my beauty products. I know green tea has a ton of benefits both for your health and your skin, but I really hate the smell that most green tea beauty products have. They always just smell dirty to me, like a bitter, dirty smell. I really don't like how this smells as well. It smells almost like the Sunday Riley Good Jeans, which is like a stinky kind of powdery grandma smell. I know some people like it, but I don't. But with Good Jeans, it's kind of like I put up with it for the effects that it delivers, because Good Jeans is just, it really shows a lot of results for me at least. But this one, like, I don't feel like it does much, and I don't like using it because it makes me like, oh, like I don't want to smell this. So I'm gonna be giving this away. Oh, and it also leaves my skin sticky, like tacky. So like I'm not a fan of this one. Also in this set is the Prism Exfoliating Glow Potion. So this is a gentle exfoliating serum that has, I think, 4 AHAs and vitamin C. So it's actually a really cool kind of concept, I would say. The 4 type of AHAs in this is actually from fruit acids, and the vitamin C is from something called the kakadu plum. So what I've experienced with this product is that it is very lightweight and it absorbs really fast. Just like the Blue Tansy mask, I experienced 0 tingling or stinging with this product, and I think it's because like most of their products are formulated to be very gentle on your skin. I haven't seen significant difference from this product, but I've also been using exfoliants that are much stronger and much more concentrated. So I think that's why I'm used to seeing like, you know, like glowing skin the moment after I use like a baby facial or good jeans. So this is definitely not something that will give you that. If you're looking for a daily serum that basically to counteract like overall dullness, and if you want like brightness all over your skin, and you're not looking for something to treat like heavy pigmentation or spots, then this could be it. This is really gentle enough for like everyday use, and it will not, well, I mean, generally, unless you have really sensitive skin and you don't patch test and stuff, I don't think this will be irritating to your skin. However, I have to say, for a gentle serum, this is quite pricey, and I think at this strength, I would not be willing to pay full price for like the full size of this product. For the amount you pay, you want to get something that will give you like really significant results that you can see, whether it's the day after or the week after or the month after. And I feel like this serum is just not for heavy duty, and it's not going to give you that kind of results. So I don't think the price is kind of like justified in this. Moving on to the oils. Facial oils are probably Herbivore Botanicals kind of calling card, or the reason why I think they are so popular. That's like the hero item you usually see when you hear of the brand Herbivore Botanicals. And I think it's popular for good reason, because from my experience across the board, these oils are actually quite well formulated. Every oil that is in the mixture have a purpose in there, and they're all very cosmetically elegant. Each of the oils also have a very distinctive scent that elevates the experience, and you just want to inhale and scent. It's a very spa-like experience when you with each of these oils. They are just like so magical to apply in the bathroom, especially at night, which is when most people apply oils. But when you put it on, it's just like and the mood, I guess, that it puts you in just makes you want to apply the oils night after night. So the Lapis oil is one that I think would suit oily skin or acne prone skin the most out of the three. I love the smell in this product. Like, I look forward to applying this, and I think that's also a huge reason of why I repurchased the blue Tansy mask, because they have the same smell. This is my favorite scent out of the three oils. It might not be a popular opinion because I think people actually prefer the other two more. Most people prefer that from what I've seen online. Anyways, this helps to regulate oily skin a little bit, helps with redness or any skin agitation that I have, which I usually have because I have acne prone skin. It is, however, not the most moisturizing oil. It takes about, I think, 5 minutes to fully absorb into my skin, and honestly, with oils, I don't think that is a very long time. It's actually quite acceptable for me, and I find that with every second of that 5 minutes, I'm actually trying to like smell the fragrance from the scent. And I'm not a huge fragrance person. Like, I like candles, I like oils, but I don't actually like wearing perfume. I don't like having cloying fragrances on me. So this scent is just like, oh, to me, like, I love it so much. So I definitely use this a lot when during the troublesome weeks of the month, which is like the week before Shark Week and the week during Shark Week. So definitely something that I will need to keep on hand. I actually have two of this because I have two minis that came, one with the balance set and one with the trio set. So I don't have to repurchase this immediately, but I think I will have to in the future. So the Phoenix oil is designed to rejuvenate skin, and I think it has a ton of really good ingredients that are really meant to kind of reveal brighter skin, and I think that's probably why the Phoenix oil is a little bit more pricey than the other two. This is probably my favorite oil out of the three. Not the smell, but just like the effects that it gives my skin and like how well it gels with my skin. I actually don't really like the smell. I'm not in love with the smell because this oil contains sea buckthorn, and yeah, like I don't like the smell of that, even though I know this is a great ingredient for skincare. But yeah, the smell doesn't linger. That's why I'm not like super bothered by it. But it's not my favorite thing to smell. So somehow my skin seems a little bit more receptive to this oil, and I feel like it sinks in a lot faster than like the whether it's the other compared to the other two oils or other facial oils in general. I feel like the Phoenix skin's like really I feel like my skin really likes the Phoenix oil. The orange shade of this product is because of sea buckthorn. It's just a very pigmented ingredient, but it doesn't stain your skin. So it's not like a turmeric mask or anything. It absorbs fully for me in about 2 minutes. Two, which is like crazy fast for me because I have oily skin and most oils take like, they have a party and then they go shopping and then they decide to get in there. Okay. So, but this is one that I have experienced to be really quick at going in and like just sinking in deep to give you that deep nourishment that your skin loves. So if I don't have active acne or if I don't have like a breakout or anything, this is my everyday sort of or every night sort of oil that I love to use, especially when I feel like my skin just wants to chillax and wants to just rest. This is my skin's version of like an R&R session, So this is my favorite oil of the three. So the last oil is also my least favorite of the three, and it is the Orchid facial oil. So this is really one that is very traditional oil. It's meant for dry and dehydrated skin, and it actually smells gorgeous, but in a floral kind of perfumery way. And it really makes me think that if the trio of oils are like it's like a Korean girl group, like this oil would be the visual. Like that's how I feel about this product. Like it smells great, and it because it's kind of like it fits into the most traditional notion of like a facial oil. It's heavy on emollients from the ingredients. Is a very heavy, rich oil, and it definitely packs a lot of nourishing power for your skin. However, because of that, it takes like a long time to sink in for my skin. It takes like at least 7 to 10 minutes to be like not like glossy and still hanging out on my skin. So that could be a big part of why I don't gravitate towards this oil, and I think also because the results that I get from the other two, just that kind of moisture glowy or like calming down my skin effects along with the moisturization, they're just like it makes for a better experience than this one. So yeah, the Orchid oil is actually not my favorite. So the last product of today's review is also my least favorite product of the entire haul. And it's really sad because this is the only full-size product that I bought on my first purchase with Herbivore. And that is the Blue Clay Detox Mask. So this is a clay mask that can be used both as a spot treatment and as a full face kind of mask. Well, I think most clay masks are like that. So I don't know if that's a selling point. So what I like about this product is that it has a very short ingredient list that basically fits in really well with Herbivore's philosophy, I guess, of only including essential ingredients and having no filler ingredients at all, and that it is very finely milled. Like I like the texture of it and how like it's not very abrasive. You don't have to like really like dissolve everything just in case it irritates your skin. I actually found this product to be really messy and really tricky. Even though they give you directions on the side and have like certain proportions, it is still very hard to get the proper kind of water to clay ratio. And I've seen people having this trouble as well, and I even after using the mask like 5 or 6 times, I still have not figured out what is like the proper texture that is supposed to go on there, because the site also says to not let the mask dry out fully on your skin. Like, you're supposed to leave it on, and then like, I guess before it's fully dried, you're supposed to wash it off. But I have tried so many times where even if I use a lot of powder, a lot of water, like even when I use that paste mixture, the mask doesn't last long at all. Sometimes before I've even finished applying it on my entire face, the part where I started with would have dried out already. Like, it dries that fast. So I'm not really sure how you're supposed to use like have a paste that you're still able to spread on your face without irritating the shit out of it, but also have one that is thick enough that it doesn't dry immediately, so that your skin can actually work with it for a bit. But I don't get that experience with this product, and I have not, even after trying multiple times, I have not managed to just like go anywhere with it. So what I don't like is that the mask it feels really tight and it makes my skin feel so dry, but the clarifying part, or at least the pore kind of deep cleansing part, doesn't seem to weigh up to how tight and drying it is. So I do not enjoy this product at all, just because like you kind of pay the price but you don't actually get the benefits of like that justifies, or that is kind of balanced with what you're trading off on. So that's my take on this product. I do not like it, and I would not repurchase it. And that's it. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and if you have, please subscribe to my channel and you will be seeing more of me in the future.